Education is gold. And what I do with my people is basically every week, once a week, we have our own little training room upstairs, and I train every week. We train, the first part of our training is what did we find in the field the previous week? What can we improve on? What are we finding that I can help you take care of so that we don't have to send a second guy out there? My guys are very well trained. Any one of my lead installers can repair any piece of equipment we have out there. They can be good technicians. They choose not to be. They choose to be installers. But the importance of training is we go over real life situations. It's not book learning. It is what did we do the previous week? What can we do to make your life better? And again, on the other hand, I train my people because if I'm not there, they know I expect that job. They know how to do that job just as well as I would, and sometimes a lot better than I do. We go through a MANA training all the time. We have to stay on top of all the new products that are coming out. And the importance is because when we install them in your house, we've got to make sure those units are installed properly.